We go to a primetime news follow-up now. The all-island teacher strike has ended. It's the outcome of the Labour Ministry's intervention into the dispute between teachers and the government over anomalies with salary packages. Details in this report. According to representatives of the Ministry of Labour, Friday's emergency conciliatory meeting was fruitful. The Education Ministry sought the Labour Ministry's intervention, given the impact of the industrial action taken by teachers at schools island-wide. However, after Friday's meeting, Labour Minister Pernell Charles Jr. says the teachers agreed to end their protest and return to the classrooms on Monday.
The parties have further agreed to continue discussions with the Ministry of Finance and Public Service on Tuesday, May 30th, 2023. The Ministry of Labour and Social Security will continue to monitor the situation closely and, if necessary, reconvene discussions with the parties.
It's understood that stakeholders were able to cross several hurdles and forge agreements on several issues. Teachers stayed away from the classroom Thursday and today to protest what they describe as the failure of the Ministries of Finance and Education to address concerns relating to their salaries. They also described as a slap in the face the over 200% increases given to the political directorate, while they continue to ask for a livable wage.
Now,